How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm repairing my Volkswagen Golf GTI. It's got a few issues with it. The wing's dented and rusty. The door's got dents in, and when I open the door, it keeps clipping onto the wing, the driver's side wing. The driver's side wing's not too bad, but I might just get that changed anyways. And the rear brake pads, rear brake discs, and the shockers need doing. The spring needs doing as well, but I've not ordered that yet. As soon as I order the spring, that'll get done as well. The fronts are okay. They've got S3 big brakes on, so they're quite good for now. Other than that, that's the main issues. There is like a ticking noise from the engine, but that's minor for now, the mechanic said. That's not a big issue right now. And other than that, that's the main issues for now. So I'm on my way to Salish Autos. I'll leave all the details in the description. They're going to do my brake pads, discs, and all of that. The wings and the doors, the driver's side door, I'll have to find them first before I can change them. They will get done in this video. All the repairs will be done in this video. So I'm just gonna sit down and look for some. So while Salish Autos on my car, I'm just waiting around. I'll just have a look on like Marketplace and Gumtree, eBay. How hard could it be? Right, guys, so we're here at Salish Autos. I'll be going in shortly to get the brake pads, discs, and the shocker done. In the meantime, I'm gonna look for the wing and the door. Right, guys, so they've sorted the car out now. It drives so much better. I've just driven home. It does not squeak anymore, and if it drives a lot smoother, like, I don't have to worry now about the brakes failing on me. So yeah, so they've sorted the shockers, the brake pads, and the brake discs at the rear. The springs, they need doing, so I've put them on order from Autodoc. So as soon as they come, I'll get them changed as well. But yeah, I've been home now for the past hour or two. I've been all over Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Gumtree, Spock, meshing breakers. I've rang all the local breakers. No one's got any parts in stock. Like I need the wing and the door. No one's got any. And if they do, they're either in a different colour or they're only for 5 doors. I've been told that a lot of the TDI parts fit on the GTI. Like the body panels are similar. So I've been asking them as well. Still nothing. So I'm just going to keep looking. I'm ready to give up at this point. Been over an hour, just rang. I've more or less rang every breaker local. People do have it, but they're based down south, like Leicester area, Birmingham area, and obviously the trip down there, it's not going to be worth it. So I'm still looking, So you'll see by the end of this video what I've done. Right, guys, so I was just about to set off for football, and I've come across a full 2-litre Volkswagen Golf TDI in the Mark 5 shape in black in 3-door. So I'm just going to go down, give it a quick view, and if I get it, I'll show you guys tomorrow once I'm back on my unit. It'll be used as a donor car, so whatever parts I need, like the wing and the doors and a few other parts, I'll take them off, take it, and I'll probably just break the rest of the car. I might try to sell it off, because I can't really be bothered breaking it, but worst comes to worst, I'll just break it off. So I'll join you guys tomorrow, once I'm with the car at the unit. Right, guys, so here she is, the donor car. It's a 2-litre TDI Mark 5 Golf. I've been told the panels fit, and I couldn't find any, so I just ended up buying a full car. I will probably either try to sell it off or just break the parts. So yeah, so the wing, it is rusty, so I might not use this one. I might just keep my one, yeah, because it is peeling off. The door is in more or less mint condition. Looks good. Like I said, obviously the wing mirror, I'm only bothered about the mirror inside. So I'm not fussed about the colour. And this wing is in more or less mint condition. As you can see, TDI. That wing is more or less in mint condition. That's literally all I needed from this car. The wing and the door. And I ended up buying a full car for it. It went too expensive, so I'm not too bothered. So yeah, so this will be up for breaking if anyone wants any parts. Right, guys, so the door is off now. I just realised that I weren't recording. I had the camera here ready at the angle, and turns out I didn't press record. So yeah, door's off. All it literally is, there's 3 bolts on here, and then obviously this just clips out. So yeah, so 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and then that just clips out. Easy job. Just gonna make sure the door doesn't fall. Looks weird, that, doesn't it? Now I'm just gonna take that one off. Right, guys, so the new door is now on. It is in bad condition. Like, it has got a few scratches and a little dent here, which is minor compared to the big dent that was there before. That's all clean now. If I unlock it, the door doesn't clip. You just open and close it properly now. The car locks and unlocks. So it locks and unlocks. Yeah, that looks so good. But like I said, the scratches and stuff, I'm gonna try to buff them out. If I can't buff them, then I'll just take it in for body weight. Because it has got the black appeal and stuff up here. So it's never gonna be perfect. But at least the wing the door sorted. Now onto the wing. So this is the wing. It is really bad. Look at the dents, the rust, scratches. So I'm just gonna put the other one on. And hopefully that should be it for now. Like I said, the brake pads and discs have been done by Salish Autos. Just this wing left now, and the car is working now to an extent where I can start modifying it now. Right guys, so the wing is now on. It has been a few days since I've last picked this camera up. It was a big job to do. You have to take the bumper off, you have to take the arch liner out. Eventually we got it done. The car literally looks finished now. I've got a few more bits to do to it. Like I said, the mods can start now. I've already done the tints. I've blacked out the badges at the front. It sets off the car so well. So yeah, so the front wing's done and the front door is also done. The front door is also done. Like I said, it has got a few scratches and a few marks. Nothing a buff won't sort out. So that's what I'm literally here for now. I'm going to get it washed and I'm going to get it buffed. It looks so nice now, the car. Right guys, so that's all for this video. The wing and the door have now been sorted. I've got a door in the car there now, a Mark 5 Golf TDI 2 litre. So if anyone wants any parts, let me know. And I've got parts, so I'll leave a link in the description below for my Facebook link. Drop me a message if you want any parts. And only issue with that is the clutch is gone. So if anyone wants to buy the car as it is, we can sort something out. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Follow my Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next one.